I guarantee you, how you work today is how you'll lead in the future. And if you're not paying attention to that, you're setting yourself up for failure before you even get started. Because if there's one thing I've learned so far, be it career growth or success, and it could mean anything to you, is that you don't wake up one day and it happens to you. They're actually shaped by what you do right now. And no, I'm not talking about working 24/7 or taking on more tasks and doing more. I'm talking about how you show up, how you think, what you say, and how you handle yourself in ways that makes people want to bet on you. So if you're serious about your career, be it leadership, be it entry level, be it starting your own business, you need to hear this.